what information are you looking for in this case?
What's her name?
Maybe you think it'll be first name? Would be on time? Let me see if I can find that.
Justin Watson?
But a few other bills were paid out and so so I can't go as family.
Lawyer Howard. What's up, my friend? So my father was a lawyer, and in early childhood, from the time that I could remember, let's say 4, my father would take me every spring break, Christmas break, break from school, and I would go down with my dad, and we'd start early in the morning, and I'd basically follow him through his day, and I'd carry his trial bag, and we'd show up to court, and he would say, "This is my assistant, Howard," and that's basically was my introduction to the practice of law.
From a young age, I knew that Howard was intent on becoming an attorney. He would hang on every word regarding clients that I had during the day, or discussing cases that I was working on. He had gone to court with me on several occasions, carried my briefcase, loved the action of seeing court in session, and also seeing how the cases could be worked out for the best interest of my clients. And I think after doing it for such a long time, I knew that, they say, like, he was hooked. But we never really insisted on our children doing anything but what they wanted to do. And Howard's want for the law and for helping people was far beyond what I could have expected.
I met Howard through the labor movement, who's represented many of my friends and co-workers. Since then, he's also represented my son and my wife and daughter. He's done a tremendous job, professional job, and I would absolutely recommend him to any of my friends and family.
I would prefer Howard because of the personal relationships that he builds with his client. Even though the law firm is kind of busy and hectic with a lot of cases, he still takes the time out to do one-on-one communication. If he can't get to you right away, he will email you if it's 9 o'clock at night, 10 o'clock at night.
Hola amigos, mi nombre es Oscar Luna. En 2005, en el año 2005, tuve un accidente de carro y un vecino me platicó del abogado del licenciado Howard Ankin y me dio su número de teléfono y le hablé. Una de las mejores llamadas que he hecho. El señor Ankin, el licenciado, es un hombre con corazón. Le importa la gente. Le importa que la gente tenga protección, que alguien los proteja y hable por ellos.
I've known of the Ankin Law Office for a couple of years now, and I knew that they had great integrity, and I knew Howard really, he's got a heart of gold. And I knew that if anybody would be able to help me and listen to me, it would be Howard.
The infrastructure in my office is more than just having a great computer software program. I have partners, I have associate lawyers, I have paralegals, I have legal assistants, I have file clerks, I have investigators. All these people combined, there are over 30 people who assist me on a daily basis in helping to prosecute people's claims, and that difference of having the right people working with me really helps to get people the compensation that they deserve. In the modern world, especially a case in Cook County, Illinois, one of the largest legal systems in the world, you really need a team of people in order to handle your case properly. That I've been a lawyer for over 20 years, what I found is if I ever ask people, do you remember how much money I obtained for you in your recovery? They don't really remember much about the recovery that we got, or whether the case went to trial, or whether the case was settled. What they remember is that we really fought for them, that they really felt the compassion that my office gave them. They remember the legal assistant that I had that was assigned to their case. They remember my associate, who may not be my partner today, that was helping with the case. And that's why they come back, and that's why they refer their friends.